Hello and welcome to the MSP M0 training series. In this video I will be introducing the True Random Number Generator, or TRNG module on the MSP M0 device line. If you take a look at our product line, you will see that not all devices are equipped with a TRNG module. The MSP M0G series includes a TRNG module and an AES-256 accelerator. Random number generation is critical in device security. The MSP M0G uses a hardware entropy source to generate random numbers for use in key generation, key exchange, digital signatures, encryption, and more. The TRNG module in the MSP M0 product line conforms to the NIST 800-22 standard. Let's take a look at how to quickly evaluate the TRNG module on the MSP M0. The first step is to get an MSP M0G Launchpad, which can easily be purchased online at ti.com. The next step is to view the MSP M0 Academy page for the TRNG. This online tutorial will teach readers more about the TRNG module, and it will show some configuration and usage details using progressive tasks and questions. As always, you can get started by looking directly at the examples in the driver library of our SDK, as well as the device datasheet and technical reference manual. If you'd like to customize the configuration of the TRNG module, we recommend that you utilize the sysconfig graphical configuration tool. Follow the steps shown in this slide. First, open sysconfig. Then, navigate to the TRNG tab. Now, fill in the desired parameters. Now you can build your project to generate the source code necessary to initialize the module according to your configuration. To learn more about how to get started, visit some of the links in the bottom left corner. Thank you for listening to this presentation of the TRNG module on the MSP M0 product line. To learn more about the MSP M0, please visit the links above.